So trying out chai latte for the first time. Omunye usisi sekayakhala. Stony exeni. Stony exeni fine.
But this looks cute. I don't like coffee, but this, oh my god, it's so cute.
Trying it for the first time. Nangusisi okhalayo. Had to twin, change her drink, and then now we are both drinking chai lattes. Ngenza into engayenzi ke window shopping mina. We're at Cotton On. I need jeans with all my might. Konto sakhawu man. Angitry it. Sikanqela masipha please. Hey guys. Yeah, I forgot. So I'm vlogging this morning. So remember I told you the last time I spoke we were at McDonald's. And then I forgot to see I'm vlogging. We went back to my place, chilled the whole day. Literally lazed around. And then yeah, we just came back from fetching the car and the Sigam Ganwami. I'm at my friend's place just for a drink. Oh, I sang Kili Iwiki. I'm just here for a drink and yeah, load shedding is about to hit. Chances are I'm gonna leave when load shedding hits. It's guys. Nago ngithola friend request from Stalker. Guys, what do you do? Like, what do you do in such cases? I feel so unsafe now. Like, for what? Like, it's getting uncomfortable now. Because at this rate, I'm asking myself, like, what else is she doing after all that she has done? There's more. I wish I could do a story time, actually. Find out, huh? But it's kind of sensitive right now, so I can't. But maybe a few months down the line, guys. Yeah, go, guys. How do you deal with stalkers? More especially if you know what someone is behind you. Please comment down below and let us know. We'll see what I must do. Sazoba, shush. Anyway, yeah, my friend is pushing for me, and then I'm not gonna stay much. I'm not staying long. I wanna go home. No man, like I haven't been, like I think I'm tired from the week to prepare to go to Limpopo, and I haven't really gotten time to myself and my place and alone. It's either with friends or umjolo. I want to be alone. So yeah, I'm not gonna stay long, guys. I'll see you just now. Sister needs help. Oh, shop the girl. Hi guys, so it's Monday today, Tuesday, yeah. So guys, I'm in an apron. So I'm wearing an apron because I'm actually ready for work. So I want to see my boyfriend lunch. Okay guys, okay, for context, yesterday, remember the last time I spoke to you guys was at my friend's boyfriend's place. So we're chilling there, had a few drinks, and then I came back home because I just needed to be alone because we got to find out some food. So like, yo, like guys, but anyway, I feel like this vlog is all over the place, and so I just thought, so let's make my boyfriend's lunch with you guys, and then I'm gonna close off the vlog because wow, it's a maza. And yeah, I think this is episode 4. It's all over the place. So yeah, it doesn't work very far from where I live, so hence I'm making him lunch because in Tota Epijaya deserve nice things. So I saw And before phambili, guys, I'm getting quite a few comments, especially from my clients, saying guys, we don't live together. We spend a lot of time together, but we don't live together. And he happens to work very close by where I live, so life is easier for us. So I saw this video on TikTok. He actually asked me to make lunch for him, and I'm like, okay, what you want to eat, boo? Let me feed you. And then he didn't know what he wanted. So, oh, another thing, he bought groceries from my place because we spend a lot of time together, and he works close by, so sometimes he eats here, sometimes, you know. So yeah, just to get that out of the way. So yeah, he was like, anything. He's not very fussy actually. So I was like, okay. I saw this one thing on TikTok. I went on TikTok and searched for lunch tin ideas, kaftin ideas, and this one popped in, and I was like, okay, but we're gonna be missing a few ingredients. Remember, you guys, when I did the haul, and he was like, that's a lot of food. I told him, and then he was like, what you want, I got you. So I had to buy a few things just to add on to his kaftin. So I got some Viennas, obviously from Checker 60. At this point, the Checker 60 should just sponsor the girl, because me, I'm lazy to go to the shop, and that the Checker 60 thing is very convenient. So I got this Farmer's Daily red Viennas and smoked Viennas, so they were on special. Again, if I buy two, just know what's it, chances are it's on special. And then so with this brand, I think they should be nice, guys. I'm not a fan of Vienna's, polony, and all those things we grew up having in our kaftins. Like, I'm so over them. So I got this because of what I saw on TikTok, and then this is the brand of bacon that I got the other day, and it's not my first time buying it, and it's always on sale on Checkers. You'd think something is wrong, why do they always have special? But it tastes good, so I bet these will taste good as well. And then I don't have pepper in this house, so I got this. And then I got some Steers barbecue sauce, it's also needed. And then I got cheddar cheese. Yes, I know I got mozzarella cheese on Saturday, but for this specific hot dog thingy, I think cheddar would be nice. And then we got some hot dog rolls. So guys, because I'm running out of time, the time now is 22 and his tea time is at 9, and also I need to be out of here by 9 because my first client is at 10. So I just want to get to the salon earlier. Also I need to pass by the pharmacy, so yeah, the earlier the better. Let's quickly do this. So I'm not going to talk you through, guys, the whole thing. I'll just put a video on the side of the TikTok video on the side of what this guy does. It's very quick and simple. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done. guysy, I'm running late. It's almost 9. So this is how it looks like. And the guy is using an air fryer. And on the comment section, I don't know why I'm blurry. Oh. On the comment section, people were asking, so what happens if you don't have an air fryer? Well, see, you can use an oven. So with my oven is gas, and I've tried putting in buns before and they became crispy. So instead, for this part, you saw for the Viennas I use a stove and everything, and then to melt the cheese and everything, I'm just gonna put it in the oven for 30 seconds because my microwave is quite hot, like so yeah, we're gonna put this in and then get going. 1 is for me, by the way, and then 2 is for him. If I had time, I was gonna make chips for him. Didn't melt properly, and I did 1 minute. Let me do another minute. So I missed his tea time, so Uzi, he can't come out. He's gonna send someone to pick it up for him. Sam, unfortunately, I'm not gonna get kisses for my efforts, but I know they are appreciated. As I said, I was late, but yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I subscribed, comments down below, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.
Day I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way. And I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. No one disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. I still remember when I was really free and all the things I lived. In the midst of the things that I left, I regret for this. It won't be the same, yeah. I never felt this way, cause I want to come back and find my way. And I have to run and run away. I finally choose, yeah. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. No one disappearing, looking for light. Listen, the time for you. Yeah, I'm wide awake for real. I'm wide awake for real. Cause it feels like I'm wide awake and I'm standing in time. No one disappears.